Lotus Temple, where all faiths meet. Introduction. The Lotus Temple is an iconic example of architecture named so after the lotus shape of its structure. The lotus is located near Kalka Ji Mandir in South Delhi. It has also become a symbol of the metropolitan area. The pure white structure has over the years served as a melting pot of religion and culture, with visitors from all faiths and nationalities swarming to see this architectural wonder. Baha'i Faith. The Lotus Temple is a Baha'i place of worship, one of the many all over the world. The teachings of Baha'u'llah, the figure they believe to be the promised one in Baha'i faith. The Baha'i faith, a new religion, aims for a harmonious new world order. The religion attempts to bring together people from all races to contribute to a universal cause. Architecture. The Baha'i temple of worship is a striking example of modern architecture. The white lotus-shaped dome-like structure has over time become the face of Delhi. Built in 1986, the Lotus Temple can be said to have been a forerunner of modern architecture in India. A laureate of multiple international awards in architecture, the Baha'i temple of worship is spread over large grounds with thriving gardens. The complex comprises of the main dome, which is a hall of worship. Inside this hall are rows of marble benches used to sit on and pray. The discipline inside this hall is extremely rigid. The hall is surrounded by numerous pools of water. The pool side offers a mesmerizing view of the dome on one side and the gardens rich with flowers and orange trees on the other. An information center housing exclusive information on the temple is located within the premises. Books concerning the Baha'i faith are provided here alongside models explaining the building of this modern marvel. A historical timeline runs throughout the center, highlighting the various phases concerning the construction of the Lotus Temple. Confluence of cultures. In keeping with the principle of common belief, the temple embraces people from all faiths. The sole request from them is to sit silently inside the temple and pray. In placing a steadfast belief in a unifying faith, the temple mitigates the threat of religious and cultural prejudices. The preaching is humanitarian and looks at the evils of spite and rivalry among religions. The aim is to unite mankind under one benevolent umbrella. Visitors and discipline. Being a prominent icon in the architectural scenario of New Delhi, the Lotus Temple is bound to have a large number of people visiting every day. Such swarms can be managed only by observing strict discipline in ushering the crowds into the temple boundaries. Long queues can be seen stretching far away from even the boundary wall of the temple. These queues are more or less maintained throughout. Visitors are instructed to not saunter into the well-groomed lawns, nor to idle about the grounds. Shoes must be removed, silence must be observed, and photography is prohibited inside the temple. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.